Now my grandfather was a sailor. He blew it off the water. My father was a farmer, and I, his only daughter. Took up with an old good mill working man from Massachusetts. He dies from too much whiskey. Leaves me these three faces to feed. Mill work ain't easy, mill work ain't hard. Mill work, it ain't nothing but an awful boring job. I'm waiting for a daydream to take me through the morning and put me in my coffee break so I can have a sandwich and remember. And then it's me and my machine for the rest of the morning, the rest of the afternoon, for the rest of my life. Now my mind begins to wander to the days back on the farm. I can see my father smiling at me, swinging on his arm. I can hear my granddad's stories for the stars out on Lake Erie, with vessels and cargo, and fortunes and sailors' lives below. Yes, but it's my life has been wasted